A slow Wi-Fi is the real pain in the head. If you are using Windows 11 and getting slow Wi-Fi, then there are few things to optimize your internet speed. You might be getting full speed on other devices, but whenever you are using your Windows 11 laptop or PC, you are getting slow ping, higher latency and slow internet speed. So there are few settings you can enable or disable on your Windows 11 to optimize the internet speed. Alright, the first thing you can do is go to Windows search and look for Device Manager and open this Control Panel app and expand Network Adapters. Here you will find your network adapter. It might be Intel, Atheros, Broadcom or Realtek. In my case, it is Intel Wi-Fi network adapter. So first of all, select and right click on it and then update driver. And search automatically for the drivers, and if you see the best driver is already installed, then it's okay. But if you think you have older Wi-Fi driver, then you can go to the official website, your laptop manufacturer website or the Wi-Fi card manufacturer if you have custom built PC, and download and install the latest available Wi-Fi driver and then follow next. Come back to this page and right click on the network adapter again and click on properties. Go to Power Management tab and uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. And now go to the Advanced tab. And here look for Preferred Band and select this option. From the value field, select the Wi-Fi band. In most cases, your router supports 5 GHz. So select the maximum available 5 GHz or 6 GHz band. Check it with your router, whatever your router supports, select it. Now select the throughput booster option and enable it. And then roaming aggressiveness, select this option and value should be highest. Now hit OK. And then your Wi-Fi will disconnect and reconnect automatically. Alright, the next thing you can do is go to menu, then settings, Windows Update, and advanced options and delivery optimization. Click on advanced option again here, and now you can limit the bandwidth that your Windows uses for downloading updates in the background or foreground. You can select the absolute bandwidth, like you can limit it by Mbps or the percentage. I will choose the percentage and limit the bandwidth for downloading updates in the background as well as in the foreground. Whatever you like, you can keep it. Now go to the network and internet option, Wi-Fi, manage known networks, and here you will find the networks that you have ever connected. If you see multiple networks that you are not using, you can delete them. Otherwise, it will disturb the auto connect logic. So forget the networks that you are not using. Just click on forget option and remove the networks that are not necessary. Now click on the connected Wi-Fi network and make sure metered connection is not enabled. If it is enabled, you have to turn it off. Now scroll down to find DNS server assignment. You can change the DNS from your ISP's DNS to Google's or Cloudflare's public DNS. Just click on edit this option and select manual, IPv4, and assign the Google's public DNS or Cloudflare's public DNS. So I will assign the Google's public DNS and enable the DNS over HTTPS and the alternate DNS for Google, which is 8.8.4.4, and then save the changes. This will improve the ping and lower the latency. Now let's move to the next one. Go to search again and look for CMD and run the command prompt as admin. Click on the yes option you will see on the screen. On CMD you have to type certain commands. You can find that in video description as well. Type netsh int tcp set global, then autotuninglevel equal to normal, and hit enter on your keyboard. Now the next command, copy and paste from the video description. You have to enable RSS. Now the third command is about enabling ctcp, that is Compound Transmission Control Protocol, but it is not available in the latest builds of Windows 11. However, you can try this command. And if you get this kind of error, that means your Windows build doesn't support the ctcp. It supports the cubic algorithm, and that's pretty okay. You don't need to enable ctcp in the latest build of Windows 11. You can check it by typing this command. And if you don't find ctcp, that's pretty okay. You don't need to worry. Now finally, flush the DNS cache. Just type ipconfig space / flushdns and press enter on your keyboard. Now the next thing, go to Windows search and look for power options and click on edit power plan. Open this control panel item and go to the power options. And here you need to select the high performance power plan. If you see some optimized high performance power plan, you can select them as well. Or if you see some additional power plan like ultimate performance, you can select them as well. Now go to search and look for services and open this system app. And scroll down to find background intelligent transfer service. This service transfers the files in the background using the idle network bandwidth. And you can keep this service in manual mode and it won't affect anything. Just right click on it, go to properties, select the startup type manual, hit apply and OK. Now you have to restart your Windows 11 and check the Wi-Fi speed. It should be better. By any chance, if you are still getting slow Wi-Fi speed, then you can try the network reset. Go to menu, then settings, network and internet option, advanced network settings, and then network reset and reset now. But remember, the network reset will delete all the saved Wi-Fi networks from your Windows 11 and you have to reconnect using the Wi-Fi password. And you have to do all these settings again. Whatever you did before, you have to do it again. So these were some easy ways to make your Wi-Fi run faster on your Windows 11. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next one.